going to show you how to identify angles on a transversal line. Some people think it's pretty hard, others think it's easy, so let's take a look. Alright, so the first way of identifying angles on a transversal line are the corresponding angles. If you think about it, these two parallel lines are parallel. That's pretty obvious. So that means that even though that they are separate angles, if we were to split it in half at the middle, if we were to split this in half in the middle and overlap them, they would have the same angles. So using this, we can identify that these two are the same because they are on the same transversal, and they're intersecting at the same amount and the same place, and that's the very definition of angles. It's like if it intersected a bit further along, that would form a different angle because you're taking away adding some degrees. Therefore, A and E are the same. The second way of measuring angles on a transversal line is via vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles, for example, A and C, are opposite each other on one part of the transversal, so on one parallel line on the transversal. So for example, A and C are vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angles are the same because if two lines intersect, then it's going to form a cone on one side, or a point on one side, and because the line isn't changing, or anyway, it's going to cross and form the same point shape on the other side, and these point shapes are the angles, and because they are the same, have the same degrees, therefore they are pretty much identical, except one of them would be facing the other way. Another way of identifying angles on a transversal line is via cointerior or allied angles. So cointerior angles are supplementary, meaning they add up to 180. Size of a supplementary angle, you just need to get 180 and subtract one of the angles in a cointerior from 180, and that would give you the answer. So 180 subtract 62 is 180, and that goes here. So angle H is 118. So you might be starting to notice something. There is only actually two different angle sizes on this transversal. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill in all of the rest of the angles. So 62, E and G are vertically opposite, so I'm going to make them the same, and so is H and F. H and B are corresponding, so I'm gonna just copy this. I hope this was helpful, and goodbye.